দুটো ফোন থেকেই দেখে। Hello guys, good evening everyone. I think everyone is be okay. Everyone is enjoy your weekend. So let's start the weekly analysis video for the next week. So let's start the analysis video, okay guys? Okay. What will we show the next previous week? The price is the wait a second guys, just a second. Let's start the analysis video. Wait a second, that's what the my webcam was some problem here. That's reconnecting the webcam. You know what? That's that should be clear. It's good. So go with the analysis video. Okay. Go with the analysis video. That's okay. So uh, what we see in the previous last week, price was fully bullish. You can see this. At the sum retested and tap this the 4 hour plus level and price will be go for the upside momentum. You can see this price will then plus 2 week price will in the higher time frame it will be choke and price will be retested in the smaller time frame. You will see this. You will see this. That is the higher time frame plus choke that the retested and price will bullish and price will retested this zone and order block and price will going through the upside momentum. So that's time that is a one selling area. After price will be close above this area. So I am go for the buying side only bullish side setups. Okay. So that is the first choice and price will be tested. What is the retested? That is the 4 hour A plus buying area. Price will tap. You can see this. Price will be tapped and price will be upside momentum will be started here. The bullish momentum will be start the same exact level from this. You can see this. For the one day, that is the daily time frame. Sorry, that's my mistake. That is the daily time frame candlestick pattern. You can see this. That is the higher time frame in the daily time frame, which the price was the bullish, and that is the second chart in the daily time frame. So that price was goes from the good A plus levels, and that's the level will be pending in market for the daily time frame in the base. You can see that will be played. So there are no selling levels, but in this case, in this case, that's the daily time frame. Okay, so that's the selling area. Price will tap. You can see this. And the last Friday, that's some problem issue for the CME group. So that's why the price will be continuation for the this problem in gold, and price will be the momentum will be goes on. So we'll go for the 4 hour time frame. That's the A plus selling area. Price will be sell from this level only. Either price will be goes from the upside. There are only last selling areas, but price was not creating the selling candle. That's the selling area. Price will be the of the market in the selling areas. You can see this. That's the selling area in the higher time frames. You can see this just in the 4 hour. That is the A plus selling area for the gold. Maybe price was close above this area. There will no issue because the higher time frame the price will be choch. Okay. The higher time frame price will be choch. You can see this. So that time you can see this. Price will be selling more than this level and price will go for this and either price heavily selling so that is will be on this only come on these areas and price will go for the buying. My overall bias for this next week is the bullish because the price was too bullish. You can see this, and price will be continuation for you can. I have a one buying level in the 4 hour. That is level. That's the good to buy in gold. I will mark, and it is go for the 1 hour move. You can see this. I think we should go for this. That's the last day problem in the semi group. That's the problem for the this spiking here in markets. But I'm thinking to buying. Wait, guys. That's the selling level. Price will be tap the selling level, and price will be down from that areas. You can see this. That's the 100 pips down from the selling area. Price will tap the selling area, and that it is down the 100 pips plus. So, so that is the buying area. Okay, that is the buying area. But I will find you the best buying zone. But I will mark first. That is the order block. On that level, yes, I am thinking about this level. Because that's the liquidity of market, price will come for that. You'll mark on your charts this level. And one more level, that is the smaller time frame. It should be go for this. That's the fib area more mainly. That's the good level. And I'm go for the 30 minutes first. That is the 4-hour A plus area. Okay, guys. That is the 4-hour A plus area. You can see this. That's the swing low. You will understand very well why I marked this level. That is the swing low and that is the swing high. You will understand that. That is the cheap. What will be happen? You can see the price will higher low, higher high. It is going for the higher low, and that is the first higher low area is that price will go from this level. Either price will breach this level, so that is the A plus one or A plus level. Okay, that's two level I will giving you in this stream, weekly analysis stream, and either that is this level was the very good A plus level for the 4-hour triangles. Okay, so I will set the fib on this the lower low and going for the lower high. That is the higher low and this the higher high. That is the fib area also. So that is the very good area for that time. So that is the level of you can see this that's the TGL2 buying area. Okay. TGL2 buying TGL1 buying area and that is the TGL2 buying area. So I'll remove the fib and that's will the two level will be remain and that's the horizontal line you will mark on your chart because I remove the selling area. My bias is totally bullish for this next week, but that is the selling area. That's the selling area. You can see this price will tap and price will down the 100 pips. I am going for 1 minute. I will check you what will be happened here, and that's the going for 4 hours. That is the very good. That is the swing low. That is the swing low. That is the swing high. So you can see this. That's why I set the fib on this level. Why I told you guys that is the very good area because you can see this. That's the very good demand zone. The price will come, but because why I am mark this level, this horizontal line because that's the market liquidity. So price will down for the sweep this liquidity and price will go for that level. That's my analysis for this time. Okay. So I will mark this horizontal on this level. That is the A plus buying level, guys. You will mark on your charts. That's not valid, but that is the fib area in the smaller time frame. 15 minute also the very good area. Your price will swing this level. But you can see this last Friday, that you can see this, that is the liquidity of market, and that is the max liquidity. So price will trying to down the sweep this liquidity. You can see this price will create the liquidity. That is the internal liquidity. You can see this. That's the internal liquidity, and that is also external liquidity. That is the external liquidity of market. So, and that is, I think maybe that's the good zone to the price will down and price will be go for that level to the upside. Okay, that two level I will giving you, but you mark on your chart these levels. You mark on your chart this level, and why I will giving you this level, you will understand. That source knows the strategy. Price will be definitely buying, some buying will showing this level, and that is the very good selling area. That is the 4 hour selling area. But market overall is the bullish. And you can see this first George, that is the 30-minute George, and that is the 1 hour George, and that is also 4 hour George. It will be price will be close above this area, so that is the 4 hour George, guys. That is the first George in the 4 hour, and that is the going for the second George in the 4 hour. After closing on these areas, I am telling you, after price close after price close above this area, so that will be I find the more good entries for the buying side. Okay, guys, I'll find more entries, good entries for the buying side setups. For the buying side, either price will be selling here, so that is our good opportunity for the capture the entries. And either price bleach this level, price was more down, it will be the logically. Why this logical? That's the zone of the, that is, you can see this, that is the 4 hour order block area. That is a 4 hour order block area, and that is the market liquidity. So market will be the some push down for the sweep this liquidity, and price will be go for the good to the new this FBG's feel, either that's the all time highs, going for the this all time high. So my next week my bias is totally bullish, but that's our selling area, A plus selling area. So that will be some selling will be happened for the first time, and that's the market manipulation also, guys. You will understand that. That's the goal. Price will be some. That's maybe it will be first break out the zone, and it will be down, and break out the zone, and it will be down for the level. You can mark this. That is the 41424. That is the good entry zone. Last entry zone. Price will be closed above this zone with a very good candle in the 1 hour, 15 minutes, anything. Price was close above this candle, which is the very bearish candle. So that's my bias totally changed for the selling side. Either my bias is totally bullish for that time. That's the selling area. Price will be tapped, and price will be selling the more than 100 pips. You can go with that. You can see this price will tap and it is create a good engulfing candle, and it will be down more than this level. You can see this, that is the more than 60 pips down. Okay, but then you can set your RR like this, and that is the reflection. You will be go for the second retested level with the some 25 pips rigs. Either this swing, this candle lows, candles highs was the your SL, and it is your target. It's definitely you will get at the down more than, because it will be down from the 60 bits. You will see this, that's the down 60 bits, and that is George. So it will be potential to the going down at this level, and that is the second level. Price will go down more. And what the price action will be here in the next week, you can see this, that's the CME group problem. So that's why price will be spiking here. What the market candle will be split. So that's a many fucking order block and many liquidity will be here. So price definitely goes down from the selling level. But you will find some selling entries for the scalp. You will be find here, but you will be the positioning trade for the gold in next week. So you will be only buying side setup you will be fine. Price may be, I'm telling you guys, price may be closing on the 1 hour above this zone. Price will price will closing above this zone with a very engulfing candle. So you should be going down, more than down, because that's the level. That's the next liquidity zone. That's the market hold liquidity for that time. We will understand the liquidity, so you will understand, and price will go for the good level. So price will close above this zone with the bearish engulfing candle with any kind of bearish candle, so that is going for the down. Either price will be create like this type of candle. Price is creating this type of candle on this area. You don't should be go for the any kind of selling, because market will be reversed from this area. That's the reversal area. You will understand, guys. That is also reversal area for the selling, and that is the also reversal area for the buying. You understand, guys? Anyone interested, you will ask me any question, I will explain the what is that, why and what's my logic. Okay, so that's the analysis for the gold. That's my not my. Okay, so I'll remove this. Mm, I'll remove this over. That's the A plus buying area, guys. Told you. I am very told you important area. That is the very important area, everyone. That is a very important area for the reversal in the higher time frame. I am definitely buying over this level. Either price will close above this area, price will close above this area. So that is your entry level. You will the trade on the Asian session. So you should be go for the this level, and price will retest at the same level. You will should be go for the next buying for the next all time high. Price definitely go for the next all time high. That will go for the 4500. I'm telling you in the next week. Why? That is our all time high. The for my target price will be definitely go for the 4500. I'm telling you. That will definitely go for the 4500. Definitely price will be go price above this, maybe that will close above on these areas. I'm telling you guys, and that is the very important selling area for the gold. That's a very good selling area. It will be retested. It's you can see this price will continuously pushing to the upside. You can see this price will be continue pushing for the upside. That's the type of candle will be happen. That type of candle price will be actually happen. You can see this. You can see this. That's the type of candle price continually pushing to the upside, and no any kind of in this level, no kind of any sell any red candle. So it's the potential for the down for this level, and price will that will be bleach. And I think I guaranteed you guys that is level will be play the 30 pips minimally. It will be reversed for the upside. It's okay. Either this level will be play more than 30 pips. Okay, you will trade on this level with some risks of this. That's you only risk this level. 10 pips you risk, 10 20 pips you only risk on this level, but the price will giving you the 30 pips from this area. Either price will bleach this level. It's bleach by direct on this market. It's not any kind of this. It's bullish for the direct. And price will come above this area. It will also going for the more than 50-60 pips. Either price 50-60 pips, it's going for the more down because that's the market liquidity. You will understand what's the market liquidity. That's the market liquidity, guys. That's the market liquidity. So price will definitely go down and sweep this liquidity and price will be reversed from this area. That's the simple price action. We will understand the gold. I am the feel the gold market structure, the chart more than 2 years, guys. So I have many losses on this market. But that's the analysis for the next week with the proper logic. I am not telling you that either any fucking kind of level I will giving you, you will trade on the level. No guys, I am telling you these type of things because I am very understandingly and very well and very logically I will telling you why this price will be reversed from these levels. Why I am marked on this chart, this kind of level, okay? And so that's two level and that is the 4 hour level. And maybe something that is the 1 day. Oh ho, that is the 1 day level. That is the liquidity area. That is the 1 day plus area because the 1 day, the last previous 2 days, liquidity will be happened. So price, oh, that's the very good area, guys. That's not simple area. That's a very good area for the buying in gold. That's two level. Price definitely will be playing here and it will be down because that's the internal liquidity, external liquidity, every liquidity was sweep and price will be reversed from these areas because that's the clear any not kind of any liquidity here, so price will be reversed from that. But price will be create a good engulfing any kind of bearish engulfing candle above this zone. So that's will be down the price again for the this level because that's the market full liquidity. You can see this. That's the whole liquidity of market. That's the whole liquidity for the market. You can see this. That's the whole liquidity. That will be priced close above this the candle or the very engulfing candle like these areas. So price definitely goes down for the retested this level. That's the very big fall will be shown the next week. I am telling you guys for that this level and price will be move from this level. So that will be go for the selling entries above this zone. That is your selling entry level and price continue above this zone. Price will be sustained above this zone. So you should be only finding the buying entries in gold. That's my analysis, pure analysis and the simple analysis for the gold for the next week. But my knowledge, my sensing and my analysis was told me price will be goes for the next all-time high because the higher time frame will be change of character. The 4 hour will be change of character and 1 hour also change of character and 1 day also change of character. So that's the very important thing for the buying side entries in the gold. Okay guys, so let's go for the next any chart of analysis because I am London session today. I am definitely calm and you can see this that's the selling area. It will be tapped be more than down. It's down more than because that's the level not the that's the level of the pending in markets. So I will giving this level. You will mark on your charts. That two level only you only reach the 20 pips, not the big risk scheme. Not the most big risks above these zones, guys. So we'll go for the Bitcoin chart, guys. What guys? We'll go for the Bitcoin chart. Told you. BTC. That's the trade I will give you the Saturday night. This trade, Friday night. What the trade you know? This trade I will capture more than 150 pips. That's the mark for that. That's the support area, and that is the resistance area. Price will break out, and it will be giving no breakout for the 100 pips, and price will be tested. Again, price will go for that on this level from that the 80 pips. It's more than 80 pips, and price will be the choch. That's the first choch in the 1 minute. You can see this. So I am thinking about the price was very bearish. So you can see this. That's the candle for the down, and that's the A plus level I will find. You can see this. I will check you what the trade I am actually got. Okay. That's the 1 minute. So that's the APG. Price was filled for that. That's the APG. I am thinking for this trade. Not I am going for the 5 minute. I will go for 5 minutes. So that's where I'm going, and that is for the my good trade. That is the inducement candle. You can see this. That's the manipulation candle. Price will be go for that with a very sharp move. So I am thinking price will come on these areas and it is be trapped. The price will go for the very good candles for that level, but price will be come on these our areas and it will be go for the selling. What can I understand you and what can I educated you? You will understand. Price will be go with the very good candle and it will be creating a very good engulfing candle in the 5 minutes. So I am thinking about the price will be down because the first sharp move will be come and that's the second sharp that's the move will be happen. So I am thinking for the price and that is I'm thinking for the buying on these areas, but I'm not buying. I will see this market on that time. So price will be, I am thinking about that, that's the inducement. That's the inducement. It will be possible for the price was going for the upside, but price will not going. Because why? That's the choch and that is the 5 minute choch. And that is the second 5 minute choch. So I am thinking with the very good engulfing candle. So I am entry over there and price will be fall with the sharp move. Okay. Price will be short from, I am short from that level. You can see this. That's the good level I will be get on this level. You can see this. I am entry for this level. I am on this level. I am short the market with the risks of 25 pips, and it's still giving me more than 100 pips plus 150 pips. It will be giving me. With my proper logic, I will send my channel, YouTube channel. I will giving you. That is the one which is 6 trade giving me easily. So that's the level we giving the more than 2000 pips. So that's the logic for that. And okay, so let's find the good another entries for the Bitcoin. But my total bias in Bitcoin is selling only. Bitcoin are not interested for the buying. But it will be church. But this level was pending. You can see this. Price will be come for that. Price will come above this area. You will should be selling for there. For the good entries. Up to you will be target for on this area. You will be first target you will be 100 pips and that is the potential to giving you more than 700 pips on this level because that's the 4 hour order block price not tapped and that is also and heavy FBGs will be happened. So that's the potential for the going down. You will be mark on your chart this level. Price definitely down from this level. Because why? That's the seller liquidity. Every seller was liquidate first of all here because that's the many seller will be have active happen and it will be price will be creating the more buyers liquidity here and that is the seller liquidity here. So price will be first coming on through this level and it is creating a good engulfing candle and it will be go for the selling and that is also selling level guys. That's also selling level. Many only selling entries I will find in Bitcoin. I'm not buying interested in Bitcoin because the Bitcoin is also selling guys. The sharp move will be this only come on the bearish side, not the bullish side. You will understand? So next, anyone interested in any other place, I will be telling in there. Other I'm not. I'll let's turn up the stream. You can see this. GBP guys, one thing. GBP JPY price will maybe come out this area. You definitely buy here. Price will be come here. You will definitely buy. Not this level. You're only buying this level. For the GBP JPY, I will marking you. For the good buying level for the GBP JPY. Okay, GBP USD. That is also maybe good level buying for over 1 day. That's the church in the daily time for the over various kind the Doji candle and the latest. Price close above this area. Price close above this area. So you will be buy here. You will be buy here. Okay. So good. It's down. It's are all okay. One thing I will be telling you in the GBP AUSD that will be close with the engulfing candle. It will be short. It will be market will be fall more than this level. Market will fall for that level. Either market will close above this area and retested this level and it will be go for the good move will be you will see in the next week. Okay. What if for the GBP JPY you will understand very well, everyone. You first will understand that the price price is closing above this zone and retested with a very good engulfing candle, then should be that will retested this level and that should be go for the sweep this liquidity, guys. For the this liquidity, price will go down more than that. And either price will be not closing above this area, and price was closing above this zone with a good engulfing candle, it will be go for the good move for the upside. Okay, market will first of all open. Then what will be check on the next? That will be I giving you the very perfectly for the tomorrow with the London session. Who will be check the stream? See in the stream, you will come on the you London session with the 12:30 p.m. for the Indian Traders time. I will become. I am telling you what the market will be happen for the next days. Okay, that is the GBP areas and that is the GBP JPY. Price will be calm with a carry engulfing candle and confirmation candle. Price will be down. That will be happen for the price will be some down and it will be go for the good buying entries because that's the market liquidity for the sweep this zone. Either market closing above these areas with the engulfing candle, the bearish candle, so it will be also fall for the this level. Okay, so that's the reversal area for the market will be goes up. Either market will be closing above this zone, not tap our area. So that's the entry area or that's our entry area, same like GBP USD. Okay, that's the same thing. That will be closing above this area. It will be go. It's very good. And price will be maybe closing above this zone. Market will be close above this zone. So you will be entry over there, guys. You also put entry for that. And either price also closing for the next downside momentum on this closing above these lows. So it will be retested. It's definitely retested this zone and it will be short the market for the your target for that this level. You will be short for this level. But at this time you will be definitely buying. You will be buy this market. Either it's not the respected because market was reversed. 4 hour time frame. I am going for 4 hour time frame. It will be tapped. That's not tapped. It definitely down guys for this zone. After closing above these areas. That's the good area for the buying in the GBP JPY. That only level. That is a very good A plus level. Or nothing. You only buying price will be come above this area. You will be definitely buying on this area. That's the three plan will be I will telling you. So GBP JPY for that. And what will be? I am not interested in the Euro USD. It is still too boring right now. USD is not so good. Okay, that will be fine. On entry, you will be very good active trader for the Euro USD for the Forex trader. Everyone interested for the Euro USD. So in higher time frame, okay. So price will closing above this zone. It will be bullish. It definitely bullish. It will be giving a more than this highest liquidities. That will be performed. So I'll remove them. That's a good falling. You can see this. That's the selling level more than falling. There's a falling more than 140 pips in the USD, guys. After many days later, so it will be closing above this zone. It will be definitely bullish for that the next week for the highest liquidity. That's the liquidity area for what? That's the target for more than 40 pips, guys. Too boring. Too boring, guys. That's why gold was just fucking single candle for the 40 pips. That's why I'm not really interested, not interested for the these forex pairs. But that will be safe. But that will good areas. That will be good areas. We will go for these levels for the this size. You're giving for 60 pips, 70 pips, normal. It will be definitely going. So that's the analysis for the next week. US 100 Dow Jones, Dow Jones. That may be above the selling area. Price will be coming on the selling area. That's a change in the higher time frame. It's a very good interesting trend. Price will be bullish, guys. That's the gap was built. And it will come for the plus. Okay. That's the gap of opening. Okay. But that's the more on reversal area. It is the reversal area for. But you will going to the buying side and this because market will go more for the buying side. That's the support for the market. Okay. That's the support for the market and that's the buying area for the market. Okay. Either it will be closing. So your only buying area is 2500. That is your final buying area. For next will be absolute. Okay. Yes, 30. Yes, 30 was same. That's your buying area. That's your proper buying area. If for the use 30. Okay. Other price will be 4. That will be plain for 500 psychological area. Either that more one buying area. That's the two levels for the buying with reversal. So that's the analysis for this day. But main was the gold. I will give you gold is biased for only bullish. Gold bias is two bullish guys for this next week. And Bitcoin also selling. No more trade in Bitcoin right now. Either I will giving you one free trade. So thanks for watching guys. Let's turn off the stream. So we will any inform for this stream. Do you like this channel and subscribe this channel and share with your friends. I am not giving you any paid promotional levels and that will be for only for education purpose and some kind of helping with you with my hands and that's the trade I will giving you the 150 pips that will recovering for the next week losses because last Thursday some losses on the stream in live stream the 5 losses. So that will recover for our community member who will joining my Telegram group that everyone will be recovered. So thanks for watching. Stay with me and that's like my content and like you understand you knowing my strategy. So you will subscribing and growing our community. So I will one seminar for you to understanding the stream strategy. With any live stream, I will understanding you and I will educated you what the strategy will best time based and what the market will be perform more than 100 classes with I hold. And I'm also losses on the live stream. I am don't remove anything because I am not hiding anyone because I will trading. I am live trade on your face. I am live with yours face to face. So that's why I'm not hiding any kind of things. So that's will be I will profit. So I will post the only profit things. That's I will be loss. So only I will posting my losses. Okay, guys. So that's the stream for that day. So thanks for watching. Please like our channel, and grow our community. You can see this. That's the actually that's last quarter I lost, but I am told you price will come and it will be go. You can see this price. How can this perform on these areas? And I'm telling you, and I am also telling you, bro. That's the you can check our stream, my stream in the Thursday night. That's the four losses on live stream. But I am telling you, price will be come. Price will be creating any kind of candle with confirmation candle. It definitely goes for the good, and price also creating a good candle. Price will sweep this liquidity. You can see this how this sweep the liquidity, and price will be go, and that is the confirmation candle. But you will some retested, and with a very good confirmation candle, it I am entry over there. That's my entry. I'm confirmation with this George. I am not entry because I am confirmation with the dual George. With this candle, I am going, guys, and definitely I will trade on these areas because I am learning about my student with this strategy. I am going through only 25 weeks on over there, and I am giving only this level. I am giving only this level. You can see this. Now my 100 pips TP will be done. My 100 pips TP will be done. More than how many times? That's the 10 minutes my recover my all losses for this day. I will give him 200 pips from the Thursday to Saturday night. The Friday night I will giving the 300, 200 pips because I'm only about the 200 pips because the Bitcoin trade is the 150 pips and that is the 100 pips, and that's the pips was going more than you can see this. You can see this. That's the 200 pips trade. That's the 200 pips trade, and I am telling you everyone for the said the TPs. I am continue telling about my community. That's you're telling yourself like this. So anyone interested about our about my efforts. So you will be like, you will be share with your friends and subscribe this channel for your information and for your educational purposes content. I am coming with only live stream because I have no time for the fucking anything of going my community. No, I am live, so I will be live. Either I am not interested for anything. Okay. Thank you so much for this watching this stream. And you can see this. I'm not remove the well, one thing. What can I lose? I'll wipe my one account. That's the 90 pips, 94 pips I lost because with the heavy loss on the same day. That will I showing also in live stream. Okay, and I am told you the price will bullish. You can see this the price bullishness. So that's the things you will interested this content. So you please like and subscribe this channel for my uh, engaging with your and some encouraging for your support. So that's why I'm telling you, just subscribe and like. That's for my entertainment. For I am like for I am coming every day, like everything. Support these guys. Support this channel. This channel for you only for you guys. That's not the any kind of selling channel. I'm not seller guy. I'm don't kind of any kind of sellers. That's your channel. Thank you guys. Good night. See you tomorrow morning learning session. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, brothers.